This is my Triumph Bonneville 790. It's a 2003 model, often called the Hinckley model. And one of the problems I found with this bike is that there's absolutely no stowage, so it's really hard to carry a toolkit. So I've been trying to come up with innovative ways to carry tools. Now, the most common tool that actually comes with the bike is an Allen key, but they hide it, so I have put it here. And that is just held on with two neodymium magnets, and that is for taking the saddle off. And you can see on my saddle I've already added extended bolts. I didn't mean to do this, but I managed to lose one of the original ones. It rattled out. So they're just two Allen headed bolts that are much longer, which means it's much easier to get the Allen key on there. And then when you're finished with it, it can just slot back there and is easy to get at. If you really wanted to hide it, you could put it on the other side. On this side I've got a hand pump for pumping the tyres up, and this was a cheap one from the garden centre, but the two clips on it exactly fit the Rentec luggage rack, and when my panniers are on it's completely invisible. I've actually found this really useful because just for doing a bit of topping up after a long ride out, perfect for that. So if I put the pannier on, it hides it completely. And these panniers have these kind of little toolboxes on the side, so you can put various things in there. And I've got one of those multi screwdrivers, which is also a torch. Brilliant little thing, like £6 from the garden centre. And then there's a cloth and some other oddments in here. So that's the connector so that I can connect the Hella output to my Samsung phone. This is the bit of kit I'm most proud of. It's a hidden toolkit and it's sat in the recess behind the headlight. It's held on with a reusable cable tie, and it just sits there in its little pocket until I actually need it. That is a Dunlop branded bicycle toolkit, but it has one major advantage over all of the other toolkits. It's been designed with a slot that goes all the way through it, so you can put the cable tie. Then that gives you all of the Allen keys, gives you screwdrivers and a set of very small up to 10mm sockets. So there's the 10mm socket wrench, which is coincidentally the most common one on this bike, and is the one that's used to take your tank off if you really have to. This amazing piece of kit cost me all of £3.99. The main challenge with this is getting the tools in the right place so that you can put the cable tie back in. But obviously it is possible because I've done it several times. These cable ties are reusable ones, and they cost about £1.20 each. This is the packaging it came in, and you can see it was £3.99 and it's 15 functions and made by Dunlop. The crucial thing is having the slot through the middle, otherwise you can't cable tie it without worrying about it falling off.